What a beautiful day in Destin, Florida. We are just outside of our awesome Airbnb, the Zula Life property. It is so tempting to stay here all day in that beautiful pool and hot tub, but we will leave the Airbnb and explore the town. We have a few things lined up, in fact. We're gonna start by going to a surf shop. All the kids need flip-flops and sunglasses, just like Florida beach wear. And then we're gonna go to a local donut store where we hear the donuts are like to die for, so we're gonna check that out. And then we have a catamaran ride all lined up today, and the water is supposed to be super calm, and these blue skies and crisp temperature are going to make for a fantastic boat ride on the catamaran. After that, we are going to head out to dinner, and I think we're going to check out a seafood restaurant that caters towards families and kids, a really nice spot here in Destin. So I'm looking forward to getting this day started with you, and we're starting at the surf shop. Purchasing the flip-flops, total success, check off the list. Onward now to donuts.
Yummy.
Oh, the donuts at the donut hole are amazing. Now we went in for only 3 donuts and we came out with a dozen. This one was highly recommended by the waitress, and it's a key lime pie powdered donut. Oh, that key lime is so good. That is everything you want out of a donut. The only thing I'm missing is a coffee. I might have to run back in. That is good. Up next is the catamaran boats. I'm so excited to get there. We have made it to our catamaran boat with Captain Pam, and the name of her company is Smile and Wave here in Destin, and her son Mason is the first mate, and they are kind of giving us the orientation and what we're going to expect. And so fingers crossed, we're hoping to see dolphins today and just enjoy the water. Again, it's like glass out here. What a wonderful day for us. Not a cloud in the sky. So Smile and Wave catamaran tours, wow, so far it's amazing. Being here in the winter is awesome. Just that crisp air. There's a ever so slight breeze because we're moving now, keeping it nice and cool. And we are on a trimaran. Captain Pam kind of gave me the lowdown. This is not a catamaran because there's 3, I'm gonna call them pontoons, but I know that's not right. But a trimaran is what we're on. It's 39 feet by 24 feet. And this thing is just super smooth. So I have to say, the experience we just had with Smile and Wave and Captain Pam was incredible. A family-friendly activity. So if you are going to be in the Destin area, it's Smile and Wave with Captain Pam. And for us, I was a bit unsure with a 2-year-old how that whole thing was going to work, and it was excellent. I mean, Captain Pam is a wealth of knowledge. She'll give you all the local hot spots to eat, where to watch the sunset. Just incredible, and she was awesome with the kids. So if you are with a family in the area, this is absolutely a must-do. What a fantastic time. So now we are hungry, and I think we're gonna go find some tacos, again, based on recommendations from Captain Pam. All right, up next is a focus on food. We are hitting Burrito del Sol, a really good, from what we hear, taco burrito place. And I'm most excited to get the fish tacos. We were not led astray with Burrito del Sol. The food looks amazing. What a good meal. Cheap eats, tacos, Burrito del Sol is your stop. You can't have any trip here without a stop to Shakes. Frozen custard, local since 2001, and it is all types of yummy here at Shakes. You know, sometimes you just have to take a time out and enjoy a sunset. It's so beautiful here. All right, travel hackers, what a fantastic day we had here in Destin. I mean, just the weather was incredible. Certainly the boat with Captain Pam was just fantastic. Top, like just a super great highlight.
My favorite was seeing the dolphins. My favorite was riding the boat.
Yeah.
It was a great day.
And again, we are ending our night here at Lulu's. It's a fantastically friendly family environment, and we will see you in the next episode.